Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study chapter 12. Chapter 12 Morning Walk. Chapter 12 Morning Walk from Art and Activities Skill Book. Now take out your white and green color book. Take out your book fast. All of you, tell me, all of you likes to do morning walk? Yes or no? Yes, we should do morning walk daily. We should do morning walk daily. Okay, now look at the worksheet. Color Kiara and her puppy neatly. Who is she? She is Kiara. And this is dog. This is a puppy. This is dog. Now, take out your crayons and take out your blue color and start coloring with me. And do it neatly, okay? Do it properly. Complete it fast. Now, take out your purple color and start coloring with me. Now, this is sun. This is sun. Take out your yellow color. Take out your brown color. Do it neatly and fill the gaps, okay? Complete it. Now, take out your green color. Take out your green color and start coloring in trees. Do it properly and neatly. Do it neatly. Now it's turn off green color. Zigzag. Up and down. Do it slowly and properly. Which color is this? Green. Which color is this? Green. And fill the gaps properly. Up and down, left and right. And do it slowly, okay? And fill the gaps. All of you are doing now? Do it fast. Properly. Up and down, left and right. Complete it fast. Now, puppy and face and neck is your homework. Okay, is your homework. I will check in the next class. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class. Bye-bye.